You remembered that? Akaka Falls.
Yes, I remember.
Akaka Falls. Okay. 400 feet. Wow. 442 feet.
I'm walking on the lava rock out by the tunnel pools. They were down those little pools.
Dude, these are the, what do you got there?
I don't know.
Mushrooms.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the ones you find on trees. Boy, those are big plants. Isn't that crazy?
I know.
Crazy. Like a house plant going, wow.
Did you read the sign at that one place we stopped that had smoothies that we didn't buy anything? They said because of low rain, they can't make banana smoothies. There's like a shortage of bananas right now.
Really?
Maybe that's why the ones we saw were little finger bananas. Maybe they should have been full size by now if they'd had enough water.
Yeah, well.
But I didn't realize they were having that much of a drought in the rainforest.
Us moving here helped that.
Yeah.
They'll
They'll get their rain back.
No, I mean, it's rained since we got here.
Oh.
There's that smell.
Turnips.
It is turnips.
It's bad turnips. It's not good turnips. You must draw a distinction.
Wow. This is the route out of how do you say it?
Akaka.
Akaka Falls. Couldn't do it on the way in because it was pouring rain.
It could be Akaka Falls. But there wasn't a apostrophe, so I don't think that's it. Oh.
Gee. What do you think this is?
What do you mean? Oh. I think that's a new one. And it turns into that thing when it... You see that thing that exploded?
Oh, I missed that.
I think that's what that becomes when it blooms.
Maybe.
Don't you think? The components look a lot alike. These are house plants, honey. These heart-shaped things.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You've seen those in, plant places too.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Look at the flowers hanging off the vine.
Yeah.
Is that the one they made the leis out of?
No. Those are very pretty. So. Oh, and
There it is.
those blooming down there, the striped ones.
Yep. Wow. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Ready? Starting to rain again.